Today we're gonna see how to play the attack of the sax, to have a powerful sound and to know how to attack the note when the time comes. We're gonna put the metronome at 120. We're gonna count 4 and then strike. We're gonna do a low D, so the exercise will be 1, 2, 3, bang, and we're gonna try to do it as long as we can with the most powerful and stable sound we got, like a big A, ba, and stops before it starts to go down. I don't want. Now we're gonna go to the exercise. Remember, 1, 2, 3, bam, 120 metronome. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Don't worry if at first your sound can vary and make some la 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 la. It's normal. Now we're gonna do another exercise that is more to endurance the attack in the sound. It's like 1 pa, 1 pa, 1 pa, 1 pa, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 pa pa 1 pa pa 1 1 1 1 3 times. You don't need to count the one number all the time. It's just like you can have the count in your head. So 1 Now we're gonna do the same but 4 times. This will also endurance your air, your punch, your air punch. So 4 times now. 1 1 You can continue to make this exercise all the time you need, so that I leave you to your own rhythm. The thing you gotta make sure is that the attack is 1 pa 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 pa. You can also do continuous attacks like this. One pa 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 pa. 1 alternating. 1 pa 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 pa. 1 So that's the way to study the attack. You can do the variations you like. The thing here is that to maintain a powerful and plain sound like an A, ba, and you can do it at any tempo, any way you like. I recommend 120 because it's like a good tempo for practicing. Any questions, just write them to my channel.